Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another Strike Your Own coin. And I say another bit because since sort of the end of December we've had the end of November we've had 3 Strike Your Owns, and this one was bought out the first week in January. It is the first Strike Your Own that shows King Charles III as the monarch on it. It is a £2 coin, and we'll show you this side. And then this is the first coin of the year, the first Strike Your Own of the year, and this is Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner was born in 1749 and he died in 1823, and it is this year's Innovation of Science coin. Jenner, of course, was the man who found out all about smallpox and took a relief on it. We do have a full explanation here. It says, "Congratulations on striking your own UK coin as a memento of your visit to the Royal Mint experience." It's not quite true in my case because I got a lovely bloke by the name of Bo Selector to get it for me because I wasn't able to get down. It says, then he goes on underneath the coin to say, through his medical genius, Edward Jenner was able to combat smallpox, a devastating disease that plagued Britain for more than a century, by creating the first vaccine in 1796. So he was in his mid-40s when he produced the vaccine for smallpox. Now this coin itself, it has Edward Jenner's name at the top, and it's got underneath it, whoops, a vaccine to end smallpox. I'm not 100% sure. One second. I believe that the coin itself, on the outer rim, I need to get to my information about this year's coins. Edward Jenner, a vaccine to end smallpox. That's what's on the rim of the coin, according to what I've just been told, or what I've just found out. So the actual centre of the coin isn't a portrait of Jenner or anything like that. It's an actual picture of an enlarged or enhanced picture of the smallpox virus that Jenner actually beat. I don't believe this coin is going into circulation, from what we've been told. It's a pity because it's a lovely coin, in my opinion, and an important coin in the sense we're celebrating a man who was a genius in his own right. The man was a genius and thoroughly deserved the honour of this coin. So tell me, what do you think of it? Do you believe that this coin is a great coin, as I do? I love the design of it. It's, when you consider a lot of coins that we've seen just recently, and particularly ones that have gone into circulation, there's been very little to it. They've been text coins, or they've been something that looks like something ridiculous about triangles on the background. It was that was a pretty horrible coin as well, the diversity. And then you had the one about the one for the Brexit. Awful coins, both of them. You then went on to the memorial coin, which was fine, and the one before that, the Pride, at least was a decent design. So this, I think, would have been far better than some of the other coins that have come out, certainly. Tell me, what do you think? Would you rather see something like this or 6 million Britannias? I know what I would like to see. And as nice as Britannia coins are, 6 million of them are too many for 1 year, and it's affecting other years and other areas as well, and we're not getting the coins into circulation that collectors want. You're not getting the coins into circulation that people want to see, because collecting, although they say we take money out of the system or coins out of the system, yes we do, but us taking those coins out allows space for other coins to be issued into the area. So I would prefer, if they're going to do it, certainly have 1 million, 1.5 million Britannias, and then have the rest of that 6 million that they produced covering coins like this, covering coins like, I don't know, the RAF coin didn't go into existence for the end of the World War I one, and neither did the one that celebrated the end of the First World War. We didn't have any coins from great writers, such as we have no, Sir Walter Scott wasn't, we've not had a coin of him, although in circulation we've not had a coin of so many great coins from 2016 onwards that we've not been able to see, and it's a shame, or not seen circulation. It's a shame, it really is. If you've agreed with me, or you believe that this has been a good video, could please give me the thumbs up. If you've enjoyed my videos in the past and you've not yet subscribed to the channel, can you please think about doing so? I am still trying to grow my channel as far as subscriptions go. Either giving me the thumbs up or subscribing to the channel doesn't cost you a penny. And I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey in coins and banknotes, etc, etc. I do a minimum of 4 videos a week. Sometimes I do more than 4 videos. I would like to see you return and comment on future videos. And until we meet up again on a video hopefully in the very near future, from me, thank you for staying to the end, and bye bye. Ta-da now.